my dear sir, as a quick revision, procedure to apply for the want of provisional assessment, namely PA, should become finalized in due course, namely FA, final assessment. The procedural aspects. Assessee who want provisional assessment should apply form GST ASMT 01 to the office of Assistant Commissioner or Deputy Commissioner of Central Tax or maybe State Tax, as the case may be. The officer, namely AC or DC, will verify your ASM 01 whether should grant or not to grant the PA. PA means provisional assessment. If they got impression to grant PA, directly they will issue a particular order of granting provisional assessment in the form GST ASMT 04 within 90 days from the date of receipt of your application for the want of PA. If on account of scrutinizing ASMT 01, department noticed that, Assistant Commissioner or Deputy Commissioner noticed that certain points needs further clarification. In that case, that AC or DC of Central Tax will issue a show cause notice. Please show the cause for these particular points before granting the PA to you in the form ASMT 02. If there is a case, you have to reply. Assessee should reply for that particular notice in the form GST ASMT 03 within the time period mentioned in the notice. Overall time period from the day 1 of the application of form ASMT 01 for the want of PA till the date of granting the ASMT 04 order of granting PA, the total span period is 90 days. Is clear, sir? Further, once you obtained order in form GST ASMT 04, PA is granted to you. In that case, you have to pay the taxes whatever demand in the order. Hey, you have to pay so much of amount of tax plus balance amount. You have to execute a bond. Whatever the bond you are executing in favor of, bond always execute in favor of President of India only, not in favor of any department officer. If so, the bond is executed by the applicant for the balance amount to execute a bond. If so, that bond should have to have a security at the rate of 25% of bond amount will be a security. Security means financial backup. From whom? From a banker. Where you execute a fixed deposit and give that fixed deposit to the banker, banker will be marked on the fixed deposit, lien to bank guarantee, and to the extent of the fixed deposit what you execute in the banker, banker will give the guarantee to the department on the bond saying that this bond may be worth rupees 50,000, for example. 25% of the 50,000 is nothing but 1,500, worth rupees 1,500 rupees. Banker is guaranteed to pay to department. Is called security. So such a bond with the 25% of the bond value as a security, submit in the office of the AC or DC, Assistant Commissioner of Central Tax, who granted to you provisional assessment order ASMT 04. Further, that particular bond execution should be in the form ASMT 05. Submit to department through electronic portal. Further, department further proceeding, further finalizing the provisional assessment. While doing so, they call for information for finalization of provisional assessment in the form GST ASMT 06. After that, your submissions and department has been finalized assessment, shall issue a final assessment order, namely FA, form GST ASMT 07. Sir, from ASMT 04, ASMT 04, PA, correct? Order of PA, correct brothers? To ASMT 07 is what? Final assessment order, FA. This time period should be less than or equal to 6 months. So PA became FA within 6 months from the date of PA granted. If insufficient, furthermore, within 6 months, PA should become FA, where you have to obtain a prior permission from Joint Commissioner or Additional Commissioner of Central Tax or State Tax, as the case may be. If the PA not became FA within a period of further 6 months also, in that case, furthermore, 4 years time period has been granted by Commissioner of Central Tax to have PA become FA. Over a period of 5 years time period, the PA must become FA at any circumstances. In that case, the whatever tax due supposed to pay shortfall, the assessee paid with the interest. In that case, the applicant assessee should apply for the want of release of his security bond by submission of form GST ASMT 08. Department officer, by verifying ASMT 08, oh, you want release of security, fine, will be released to you because you pay the taxes, interest thereon, goodbye. So department further proceed to issue ASMT 09, releasing of your security. 25% of the bond value you have executed. No? So department going to relinquish the title and the bond. In that case, issuing form GST ASMT 09 within 7 working days from the date of receipt of the application to release the bond in the form ASMT 08 by department officer. Once the bond has been title is relinquished by department, issue form ASMT 09. Using that information, go to a banker and say that, hey banker, the department is relinquished the title and the bank guarantee, so you are no longer liable to pay any tax to department. Therefore, my fixed deposit is there, lien to bank guarantee, no longer require the bank guarantee. Please cancel the bank guarantee and give the fixed deposit to me. Then the banker, by seeing the form ASMT 09, yes, your title on this by the department has been relinquished, fine. So you are allowed to get your fixed deposit of 1,500 for to execute 25% of the 50,000. For example, bond value is 50,000. Get my point, sir? If the bond value is 1 lakh, means you have to execute security deposit of rupees how much? 25,000. 25% of 1 lakh rupee. You can get back your fixed deposit with the interest accrued thereon in the bank. Is clear, my dear sir? This is what the procedural aspects with regard to provisional assessment as a quick revision is concluded.